Oh,
Uovo plastico.
di plastica, uovo di plastica.
And dinosaur, this time is dinosaur.
Dinosauro e uovo. That's the base, la base. Ok.
This is a palm tree. And this is a volcano.
Wow, and volcano is volcano. It's very similar, so that's easy.
Where does this go?
Of the bottom part of the jaw. You have a palm tree. Una palma.
Hold on, guys. Now this goes right over.
You don't even have to look at instructions, guys. You already know it all.
So you put it in and then it goes down.
Oh, you have to build it. I think that there is a piece to put on front, probably the green one in the back.
What is this?
Yeah, the other way.
This might go
There are
right
two
on.
holes. Ci sono due buchi.
This might go right on the side next to there. Yeah, it does.
It does? Yeah, good job, guys. Good job.
This basically spins around, and I think the volcano erupts. And then we're gonna put money over there. Before we put the palm tree, we need to put this. This is the palm tree. Palm tree.
Let Robert try.
Look at this egg with slime. Huh?
Un uovo di plastica
Let me try one more time from
con lo
this.
slime.
I need to do it from this way and
You
then
have to do it that way.
And then I'm gonna show you. We're gonna show you. Did you open that little dinosaur? Guys, what's wrong with it? How do you open this? Oh,
Wait.
guys, that was it. That was
Ready?
easy.
Yeah, that was easy. It took you 3 hours. What are you talking about easy?
It's open the mouth.
Yes, so do you want me to open this egg? This plastic egg? Questo uovo di plastica?
Quality plastic. That's a hard word to say, guys.
Whoa! Oh my god,
Can I
Oh.
put it in, Robert? Oh,
Pop right open, guys.
this is yucky.
Wow, it's yucky. Wow, look at that.
A lot of it. It's disgusting.
So now it's Jacob's turn.
Oh.
Oh, it's golden.
There's another
È
golden.
dorato. Oh, there are 2 golden ones. I think that
we
you should
don't
put
need-
both golden
No,
ones.
we're not supposed to put those. Yes.
Look, do you see on the sides? That is going to fill in the dinosaur.
It is.
That is because we have golden dinosaurs. Dinosauri Toro. I think that he should put it in a little better. Look, you know, spilling everywhere. Ew!
I was supposed to open this and put it in there.
Yeah, I think you should put them
There's
both.
not enough.
Yeah, you should put both.
Oh, look how
Tutti e
light
due.
look how light is this one.
Oh, it's lighter.
Uh-huh.
I think you should mix and match. For
Whoa!
the... Whoa. Better.
Guys, the golden one is coming out! It's coming out!
Whoa! Okay, so now put the dinosaur in. We're gonna put the second slime in. Il secondo slime. Okay. Oh, let's see. Why don't you push at the same time?
Okay.
So you turn and you push. The dinosaur. Take the slime and put it back in the tray. Whoa, look at that! The lava! Goodness. Show us. Look at that small pond, quell'osso piccolino. Wow. You put it back in. And then you are going to see, Jacob, that once we put the skeleton in, we are going to have less room for...
The palm tree.
What do you mean the palm
The
tree?
slime.
The slime.
I hold this up.
Yeah, that's one holds it down. Teamwork, guys, remember? Close it. Put the slime back one more time.
Try to restart it and see if it works.
We restarted everything. Okay, let's see if this works. We're gonna fill up this dinosaur.
It's pooping.
No, the dinosaur is pooping, guys.
He's holding his dinosaur. So guys, look what I found inside here. Guys,
A dinosaur eye.
Guys,
Oh no, that is a gem.
no, this goes in here.
Oh wow! Oh my God, the lava is coming and the dinosaur is. Whoa! Look at that lava! Look at the lava! Oh my God! Oh no!
Another gem.
You found another gem?
Now we need to find another gem. Oh wow, we found another item. Let's put it in.
Another ruby. Wow.
No.
Now he has both eyes. Let's find bones. Let's see how many bones we're gonna find.
I found the first bone.
First bone is there.
Second
Il
bone.
primo osso.
Second bone.
Second bone, il secondo osso. That looks like a ruby. That's a ruby, guys.
It's a ruby gem.
È un rubino rosso. Oh no, it's burning! It's burning!
Well, he's burning. He's dying. 2 bones.
Oh no, they're only bones!
He died to bones.
There is only the skeleton, c'è solo lo scheletro e le ossa del dinosauro.